So I think I should tell you the topic of today as it is Saturday. And that what do you feel when you have a long break without any festival, and when you have that there would be more breaks in near future. So what do you feel that time? So this is what I think. वेरी गुड यार, गजब करते हो यार। मतलब टॉपिक आपने इतना मनपसंद तुम्हारा टॉपिक है, मैंने पूरा टॉपिक अभी बोला भी नहीं है और भाई लोगों ने तो नाम भी लिख दिए है अपने। ये लो जी, इससे मनपसंद तो कोई टॉपिक है ही नहीं। मैं बताऊंगा तुम्हारे को बेटा, अब तुम्हारे संडे अगले महीने के तुम्हारे बर्बाद नहीं करे तो मैंने देख लेना।
सर
हाँ
सर, क्या मैं मेरा बोल के जा सकता हूँ? सर, कैन आई लीव आफ्टर माई स्पीकिंग?
क्यों भाई?
सर, माहौल बनाने जाना है।
क्या कह रहा है?
सर, माहौल बनाने जाना है सर।
माहौल बना दूंगा अभी तेरा, और कल कटिंग करवाया है ना चुपचाप। समझ में आ गई ना बात? तेरे को माहौल बनाने जा रहा है।
सर खेलने जाना है सर, इतने दिनों से नहीं खेला सर प्लीज।
अच्छा, 4 दिन की छुट्टी थी, खूब खेल सकता था, अब बिल्कुल चौप।
सर
कोई नहीं जाएगा। 4 दिन में आए हो आज,
सर
4 दिन में आए हो आज। अब सबसे लास्ट में बोलेगा तू।
सर
हाँ
सर, अपने बैच में से 10वीं में कौन कौन था? इनकी कितने
अपने तो कोई भी नहीं था।
कोई नहीं था?
हाँ। So I think you are ready. So Gaurav, you will not leave.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
Gaurav नहीं, ये रोहित। Yes, come on. So first of all, I am calling Rohit for his
Yes, sir.
expression. Come on, Rohit.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Joy Jadan. Today I am going to tell you about my feelings when regarding my 4-day holidays, and if what will my feelings if I get more holidays in near future. So as you all know, holidays are very good. I hope that we should get them in every time period. Like in a month, we should get 4 to 5 holidays to relax our minds and get rid of the world and have some solitude in our house. And I like holidays very much because at this time I can play cricket, and that is not possible for me in my regular timetable. And I enjoy the holidays very much. Like in my 4 days, these 4 holidays was ruined because of the harvesting period in my village. I went to my village for helping my uncles and grandparents, so that help my uncles and grandparents. So because of that, I got into work and didn't enjoy the holidays much. But if there will be more holidays in near future, then I will definitely enjoy them by playing cricket at this time when our class comes. So having a holiday is a very good feeling, and I want more holidays to be given to the students so that they can relax more and have some fresh mind to start the classes again. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. So now Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that is how I feel when I get long holidays, and how I feel when there is a hope of getting more holidays after that holidays. So, sir knows that this feeling is very good for every student, because when I get long holidays, then at the first day of holiday, there is the thing in my mind that there is the class, but then I remember that there is no class, there is holiday, and I can play in the time of the class, and then after 2 to 3 days, and when after ending when the holidays ends, then there is the thing in my mind that now there are also holidays, and but then I think that now today is the class, and when there is a hope of getting more holidays after that I then I feels very joyful that there will be more holidays, and that's it, sir.
Very good. Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is how I feel after a long break and whenever there is the hope of holiday. So, first of all, I would like to say that on whenever I get a long break, I am too much happy, and in that time period, I play a lot with brothers and also with my sisters, and that is a period when I have everything to do. And at that time when I don't have classes, at that time whenever I am playing before the classes, before the time classes, it sometimes seems to me that there is class, but on a holiday, it seems to me, then it comes in my mind that it's holiday today, and then we continue playing. And it is a very joyful moment for me whenever we get just like a long break, just like of 4 days. Here we get to play about more than we used to do. And whenever there is the hope of a holiday, we are also too much happy as a student. You may understand that what is the importance of holiday for yourself and how you feel it. It's a very joyful and enjoyable moment for us. And hence, it is very good if we would get holiday. That's it, sir.
Very good. Anna. Oh, sorry, Annu.
सर
अब मैं क्या करूं तो? अन्ना का मतलब पता है क्या होता है? Do you know what is the meaning of अन्ना?
सर आई थिंक ब्रदर
हाँ, बड़ा भाई, big brother.
yes sir. Hello everyone. So now I am telling about my favorite topic that sir has gave today.
Favorite topic. बोलो.
So as you know, my holidays are very bad because I got hurt in my leg and I
Oh, so
cannot
sad. Hmm.
able to walk.
Cannot नहीं,
till
cannot. I cannot. अब able नहीं आएगा. Able के लिए तो cannot, can लगाया ना बेटा अपन ने.
okay sir.
ध्यान से हाँ.
cannot walk for 4 or 5 days. The doctor has advised me
Hmm.
uh,
Not to take
that-
class.
Yeah, sir.
Then okay, बोल. अच्छा तू बोल, मैं नहीं बोलता. बोल बेटा.
And second problem is that I am burned. I am burned from hot butter
Hmm.
on
butter?
my. Yes, sir.
What were you doing with the butter?
हाँ सर आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग सर शादी में जो कढ़ाई होती है ना जिसमें बटर होता है और सर मैं उसके पास गई और वो छिटी और मेरे हाथ पे आके
Oh.
गिर गई सर पर मेरे हाथ में सिर्फ 2-3 बूंद आई थी क्योंकि मैं पहले भाग गई थी
Hmm.
बट डू यू नो I got hurt from yesterday. So my 3 days holiday experience
4 days.
was very good because I go to my nani house, I go to my mausi house, and my
When past tense का ध्यान रखो बेटा. Past tense का ध्यान रखो.
okay sir.
हाँ बेटा.
And my mama also came yesterday. I enjoy very much because my mama सर लाने को क्या बोलूं?
लाने को bring कहते हैं या brought कह दो आपको. Past tense. हाँ.
My mama brought many chocolates and chips for me and my cousins. And I am very happy for 4 days holiday sir. Sir thank you to give holiday ऐसे ही देते रहना sir.
ऐसे ही देंगे बेटा. अभी रुक जा तू.
Sir Sir, I want to request to you, please do not give short holidays. Give long breaks.
Long break. How many days? For how many days?
Sir, for 1 week or 2 weeks.
Oh, नहा के आना पहले, आज गर्मी
Sir,
बहुत हो रही
नहा
है।
रही हूँ।
1 वीक 2 वीक, वो 40 दिन की मांग रहा था, अभी 1 दिन की भी गई उसकी। 40 दिन की मांग रहा था, कोई हिसाब होता है तुम लोगों का? हैं?
No, sir.
क्या करेगी? व्हाट विल यू डू?
Sir, बोलो?
हम्म,
Do you know that when I am well prepared for class, the class do not come,
okay.
and when I am in hurry, the class always comes, always.
सुन रहे हो इस बतौली को? हैं? गजब की बतौली है। हाँ, चल आगे बोल।
That's it.
ओके बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, टेक केयर बेटा। यस,
Bye,
नाउ
sir.
गौरव।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I am Gaurav here, and my today's topic is when we have hope to get holidays in future. So, first of all, when we have hope to get, when we are hoping that we will get holidays, but sadly get disappointed. So we feel very bad and sad and disappointed and disturbed and depressed. But
दुनिया ही खत्म
if
हो गई
it's in
हमारी तो।
speaking class, so it's like worth it.
हम्म,
If there is a speaking class, so it's worth it. Sacrificing a holiday. But when we when we got that holiday that we were hoping,
होपिंग नहीं, वी
we are
होप। होपिंग में आई
we
नहीं
were
लगा दे बेटा,
hoping.
में। हाँ,
We are like सर फूलाना समाला को हिंदी में क्या, फूलाना समाने को हिंदी में
माय
क्या बोलेंगे?
एक्सटेसी नोज नो बाउंड।
क्या?
एक बार में सुन लिया करे यार। माय एक्सटेसी नोज नो बाउंड।
My ecstasy.
नोज नो बाउंड।
So we are like my ecstasy. Our ecstasy knows no bound. What is bounds? And me, Anjali, and Vipin play game on that day, and we play outside and do many things, and do many things that if I sit to list them up, so it will take a century. So that's it. Thank you, sir.
तुम्हारा एक बात है, बोलते तो सच्चे तो हो तुम, झूठे तो नहीं हो तुम। मतलब मेरे सामने तो सच्ची बोल देते हो तुम। है वेरी गुड
Sir. Sir.
My one question is that this is to all that what do you like the most, predetermined holidays or sudden holidays?
Sudden.
Oh,
Sir, both.
Sudden.
okay, sudden में ज्यादा मजा आता है आपको, है ना?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Sir,
if some holidays are cancelled suddenly, then what do you feel?
sir, we
will cry and be depressed.
sir, ऐसा मत करना है, sir. दीवार छोड़ दे.
वो तो कहती बीमार हो जाती हूँ मैं तो। And when you have sudden holidays, then you become happy.
सर, उस टूटी हुई दीवार को वापस बना देते हो.
यार लड़की बहुत जबरदस्त है यार, ये कुछ भी कहो यार। वेरी गुड यार बेटा यार। यस, कम ऑन अंजू, सो गई क्या? इतने दिन में तो आई है, आज अभी भी गायब हो गई। बोल, आजा। अब सुनना भाई, इसकी भी जरा डायलॉग बजी। हाँ, आजा आजा बेटा।
Okay, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is about cancelling our holiday. Not cancelling our holiday. So, first, if if we are hoping for a holiday, and if it is cancelled, we get disappointed and very feeling that thing was very sad for us. But if the hoping holiday comes, these feeling that I can't explain, feeling that feeling was very, 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 because we think that God listen our thought. God listen our thought.
Okay. Okay.
And we play games, वगैरह.
हाँ.
But next day, we are hoping for the next holiday. And when it is cancelled, we are saying that God didn't listen our voice.
बस मत तुम्हारी सुन ली तो बढ़िया है God. If God listens to you, then He is good God, and He doesn't listen to you means that God is not good. Yes. Everywhere सौदेबाजी. चलो आगे बोलो.
Yes, we play games, वगैरह. And that everyone's children wanted to get two much holiday.
Everyone children नहीं, every child. आगे बोलो.
Every child
हाँ.
wants to get two much
बस
holidays.
हाँ. Too many holidays. much
Not
नहीं.
get homework.
Many बेटा many. Too many holidays. Holidays are countable. आगे बोलो.
Too many holidays. You do not get homework. Thank you, sir.
क्या बात है. अब तुमको सडन हॉलीडे ही मिला करेगा. ठीक है, पहले से डिक्लेयर हॉलीडेज नहीं मिलेंगे अब आपको. ओके.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, दोनों खुले ना तुम. Yes, now Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today I am expressing my view regarding for holiday, and I spent my some time with my family and with my study, and I missed this class, and I missed one hour, and I thought today that there would be no class, but
Because it is
I
Saturday. Yes.
yeah, sir, I saw sir status. That time I feel that today class, today sir will take class, and I spend my holiday I spend my holiday with pleasure and happiness, and we will hope that sir will give us more holiday, and holidays give us pleasure, happiness, and a lot of things, and we should, and sir should give holiday sometime, long holiday sometimes sir should give us long holiday so that we can
More than 4 days. How long?
2 and 3 days, no more than 4.
But I have given you 4 days holiday.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
And we feel happy, and we don't think that there will be any class today, and holidays beautiful day for all the students. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash beta. Very good. So now Harsh.
सर
Yes.
सर मैं मेरा कैमरा बंद ही रख लूं?
हाँ रख ले बेटा. बोल बेटा.
यस सर. हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. माय नेम इज Children, today I'm going to tell you that what is the feeling when we get a lot of holidays.
Hmm.
So as we all know that every student has a dream in his or her life that they get a lot of holidays where they can enjoy.
Hmm.
And if they get 4 to 5 holidays in an instant, then they feel very happy and they start making their plans of the upcoming days. Like when I got holiday of 4 days. Uh, I got holiday of 4 days. I I was very happy and but I couldn't enjoy those
Hmm.
and I generally do a lot of things like watching TV, mobile, and when I am at my village, then I generally play games with my friends,
Hmm.
outdoor games.
Hmm.
And at night, I spend time with my family, and that's it, sir.
Very good. Okay. So now, Vipin.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is when we hope holiday in future.
Hmm.
So I I hope holiday in future. uh, Sometimes it worked and I get holiday
Hmm.
in future and
Hmm.
I I feel very happy and I I play games with my brothers
शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश. धीरे धीरे बोल बेटा, तसल्ली से, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं, आराम से बोल बेटा. हाँ.
in holiday
Hmm.
in holiday. But but when we when I when I not get holiday, so I feel very sad and very sad.
Hmm. Hmm.
And
शाबाश, शाबाश. धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से बोल बेटा. हाँ.
but but sometimes I get holiday for I hope that I get holiday for more days
Hmm. Hmm.
and sometimes it is not worked and it is worked
Hmm.
but it worked and that that time I feel very happy and I think that I I do many things
Hmm. शाबाश,
like
शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा आज, तू बोल बेटा. हाँ. वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे, तसल्ली से, जल्दबाजी नहीं है बेटा. हाँ.
like playing Roblox
Hmm.
with my
Hmm.
school friends and brothers
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
uh, when I do not get holiday
हाँ.
I feel very sad
Hmm.
and
शाबाश. Hmm.
but that that day I I play games तब भी मैं गेम खेल लेता हूँ उसको क्या बोलते हैं
However, I play games.
because
However,
because however I
I play
play games
हाँ.
and do anything
शाबाश, शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे, तसल्ली से. हाँ.
because my class time is 6 p.m. to 8
Hmm.
6:15 p.m. to 8 p.m.
शाबाश, शाबाश, शाबाश. Hmm.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश. तो बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. तो ऐसे बोला कर धीरे धीरे, जल्दबाजी मत किया कर बिल्कुल भी. समझ गया ना? बिल्कुल तसल्ली से, ऐसे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस छोड़, अपने आप एकदम से फ्लो आ जाएगा तेरा बेटा, है ना? हाँ. अभी काफी दिनों से ऐसे ऐसे बोला कर बस, जैसे अभी आज किया है. पिछली बार भी काफी अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट है. कीप इट अप बेटा. यस. नाउ खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. I am Kushi Gujar. I am telling about my views. Uh, and my feelings regarding 4 days holidays.
हम्म
First of, I want to say that uh, this holidays
these
very
holidays
nice.
बेटा
These
सिंगुलर प्लूरल
holidays
का ध्यान रखा करो बेटा
these holidays very nice is very nice for me.
आर बेटा
Are yes sir are very nice for me and we we did many things uh,
हम्म
in these days
these
and
days नहीं these days पूरा बोला करो
these days
हम्म
sometimes I didn't go anywhere at 6:30
हम्म
but because I thought that 8 to 7 p.m. class will be start
हम्म
but in these days I went to outside for eating for working
शाबाश शाबाश
etc.
तसल्ली से बोला आराम से वेरी गुड बोलते रहो हम्म
We felt joyful
हम्म
and happiness as a freedom
हम्म
and
हम्म
3-4 days I felt happiness and but 3 and 4 day I missed class and I thought that we can grow more through the class rather than ourselves.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड नाइस यूज ऑफ रदर देन वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश वेरी गुड ऐसे अपने आप आती है बेटा चीजें बस आप करते रहो आगे बोलो हाँ वेरी गुड बेटा हाँ
And mind mind is mind was stop some सर कम समय के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे
फॉर
थोड़ी
सम
देर
टाइम
के लिए for some time because through the class we can thought many things
यू कैन थिंक
we can think about many things like sometime we can thought paragraph letters but in these days I list I stopped
एवरीथिंग
everything
हाँ शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड बोल ऐसी चाहिए अपने को बोलना बस स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश यही है बस अपना सबसे बड़ी चीज यस कम ऑन
so I missed this class these classes and that's it sir.
ओके बेटा बहुत बढ़िया ऐसे बोला करो बस अब आ जाए सब फ्लो आ जाएगा चिंता मत करो तुम बस करते रहो प्रैक्टिस ये लैंग्वेज है बेटा इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही होती है चीजें कम ऑन आदित्य सर
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Aditya, and today my topic is about my holiday, about some holidays. And as well as that, sir, sir gave us 4 days holiday, and I don't like it because we miss uh, we miss all of you, and especially you, sir.
पास्ट टेंस यूज होगा ना यहाँ पे बेटा थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बोलने पे टाइम पे हाँ प्रेजेंट या पास्ट फोकस करो बोलो आगे बोलो बाकी सब बढ़िया है टेंस को फोकस करो बोलो बेटा बोलो बेटा शाबाश
And and uh, and I miss all of you very much, and I don't like it. I don't like it. I miss this class because I like to spend my time with you, and I learned so many things.
शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है नेचुरली स्पीकिंग आ रही है बोलता रहे हाँ
And I listen so many things about my friends. They say that holidays are very nice thing, and when we don't get holidays, we feel bored. But I don't care that things. I always think that we take class every day and time and spend my time with you. And I
and I think that when class starts 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I want to we sir don't leave the class. They take class only 30 minutes. And and so many things I like here and I don't. Um, I know what I can say that yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे आप, बिल्कुल नेचुरली स्पीकिंग आने लगे अब। बात ये है, अब मजा आता है, मतलब वो रटा हुआ और वो ऐसा नहीं, जो मन में है ना, दैट यू आर स्पीकिंग, यू ऑल। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दिस। कम ऑन काजल। और वो कहाँ गई कल्पना? काजल, हाँ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, hello everyone. My name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is my 4 days holiday. So, first of all, we all know that sir gave us 4 days holiday, and when sir gave us the holidays, I was very happy. But the first day of holiday, I forgot that today is no class, and I'm waiting for link, and suddenly link is uh, link was not coming. Link was not come, and I thought that I think sir forgot sending link us, but suddenly I remember that today is our holiday, and then I that uh, I'm very full, and I'm very
कूल हो गए तुम, अभी बताऊंगा तुम्हारे ग्रुप में जाओ। हाँ बोल, आगे बोल।
I feel that I'm waiting for a link, and suddenly I remember that, and then uh, these four, but I I enjoy little these days, and I think that in 4 days I think that I realized that sir should give us these gaps, because we can feel that what is the importance of our class, and we feel how what I feel we feel about our class, and what is the importance of our class, and we feel that I feel that in 4 days that our class is very important for my class is very important for me, and I learn many things, and in 1 and 2 hours, and I feel that I completely shocked, on my mind is completely shocked,
This is the great
because
point.
I
शाबाश।
yes, sir, and I stopped, and I feel that सर इसको कैसे बोलेंगे, इससे अच्छा तो क्लास ही ले लेते।
It would be better to take, it would be better taking class.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
किसी को नहीं आ रही? आ रही है
आ रही है सर।
बेटा, सिस्टम में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
बेटा इट वुड बी बेटर टू, सर मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
आ रही है बेटा, बोल।
Yes, sir. I think that it would be better to take class, and these holidays are learned me many things, and I thought a lot. I thought a lot, and I I I knew the importance of our class, and I think we should we should we should be continued our class because it is very important because there we feel consistency in our study and we we know many things and day by day I realize that I'm growing day by day and I learn many things and I don't like for a lot of days holiday because I like sudden holidays, sister.
ओके, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। आ जाओ। और कोई गायब हो गए आज कई जने, कल बताऊंगा मैं इनको, है ना। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।